Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fantastic way to add some pizzazz to your push-ups. And I call it the cross-crawl push-up. Really simple. You may have done this before, but it's worth doing again. So what you do, get in the push-up position, do a push-up, and when you come up, touch your opposite limb together. Push down, opposite limb, and then you can work on how smoothly you can lower your limbs down to the floor and how smoothly you can catch yourself, how slow you can touch, and then drop, come up, how slow you can touch, drop, come up. Anyway, there's a lot of ways you can do this. Fantastic way to do push-ups. If you're not there yet, if you're not ready to do the elevated push-up like that, you can do it from your knees. You can even do rocking push-ups where you rock down, push yourself up, touch, rock down, push yourself up, touch. So if you're not ready yet to be here, you can do it from here. You can even do the regular. There's a lot to be gained in this right here. It'll surprise you. Look, it surprised me, I just missed myself. I missed myself. But that's it, guys. Just do a push-up so you can see from the front. When you come up, you touch, go down, come up, touch. It's that simple, but that fantastic. You do a few of them, you'll be like, yeah, there's something there. I don't know what it is. It's my heart, it's my muscles. There's something though. It's good for you, it's good for your nervous system, good for your body. That's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.